Hi you guys, welcome and welcome to my replay. If you are watching the replay and you like what you see, give me a hashtag replay. But thank you for taking the time. I'm Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. For those of you who are new to my page here, you're gonna see a lot of fun, creative videos, which is super awesome. Oh, and I completely lost my page. There we go. Just gonna do a simple design for you tonight. Now this is our Aiden chalkboard. It is a 9 by 12 chalkboard that we offer at Chalkatour. It does come in either the white frame or the black frame, and these are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Our chalkboards are a porcelain steel magnetic chalkboard, and the boards itself have a 50-year warranty, which is super awesome. Now you can use our products on many other surfaces, not just our chalkboards. If you've been watching my videos or following me on YouTube, just to kind of show you, there's many other things you can do. So you can do things on canvas, you can do things on wood, you can do, so many different surfaces, your walls and things like that. And then we also have our brand new Couture inks, which, if you want, you can do cute little coffee mugs, you can do t-shirts, you can do dish towels, you can do pillows. So a lot of wonderful, versatile things, home decor things that you can create using Chalkatour products. And that's what's so awesome. And you guys, anybody can absolutely do this. I'm telling you, it's so fun when I do my sip and chalks. And everybody's kind of like, oh my gosh, I don't know. And then they try it and they can't believe how awesome it turns out. So definitely, if you're interested in learning more, we just released a bunch of new transfers, as you've been seeing me post about it, for our celebrations for the upcoming holidays. A lot of beautiful transfers in there. And then we also launched a brand new starter kit, you guys, and I can't even tell you, been getting a lot of questions about Chalkatour with that, which is super awesome, and I'll talk about that as I'm doing our project. But the kit is only $99, and it's well worth $250. I still wish I could rejoin. So let's show you how Chalkatour works. Now, what we offer is a line of silkscreen reusable transfers, and yes, they are absolutely reusable. So what's really cool is on the back of each and every one of our transfers. So if you would buy this like straight through my website at chalkinwithjen.com, it's really nice because on the back of each and every one of our transfers, it tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. Now you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one transfer. I can tell you personally, I think the most I've gotten so far is about 20 uses out of one transfer, which is really awesome. And you're probably thinking, well, why would I want to do, why would I have to do that many projects? Well, first of all, if you want to do like gifts for family and friends, you can do that. What's really cool is we have, like I said, we have a line of chalkology chalk paste. Now it comes in 35 different colors in our chalk paste. Our chalk paste is, it says water-soluble semi-permanent. So what that means is if you want to, at any point in time, if you want to change out your design, so just to kind of show you, this is one of our designs. Now this is the chalk paste, and as you can see, I'm rubbing my hand on this. It is not coming off, okay? Absolutely not coming off. If I want, I can spray this and let it soak a little bit with water, and then I'll get Clorox wipes, and then I can absolutely remove this design and then do it all over again in a different color or do something completely different on this board. As long as you do it on a non-porous surface, you can change out your boards and designs all the time. So it's really, really cool, you guys. Now we do have, like I said, I had talked earlier about the inks that we offer. The inks are a permanent product, so once you heat set it, it absolutely becomes permanent. So I'm just going to do this simple design for you here today. And I'm going to be using two different chalk pastes. I'm going to be using our bubblegum pink and our elephant gray. So I'm just getting those out. Now what I do is when I have a transfer, a little larger transfer, I like to find a corner and peel it. And you always want to write on the back so that you know which side that the backing goes on, because one side is like a matte and the other one's shiny. It does go on the shiny side. But I like to pull mine off this way so that I don't stretch it, because again, it's a silk screen and you don't want to stretch it. So you remove your transfer. You're going to apply it to your surface wherever you want it. You will smooth it out so that there are no air bubbles within the silk screen area. So like these areas right here, this is all silk screen. So you just want to smooth that out. And again, if you are watching live or the replay, you are welcome to share my video. In the bottom left-hand corners of your mobile device, there is a share button. Please feel free to share. Again, we are a brand new direct sales company that launched. We're not even a year old yet, and things are just going crazy, and we have so many amazing things to come. So you can do this as a hobby. You can do it as a business. And what's really cool is you can sell things on Etsy that you can create. You can sell your own designs at vendor shows. So it's not just about going out and having the parties. If you don't want to do that, you don't have to, you guys. If you want to just do social media, you can do that. Facebook Lives, they're fun. Okay, so this is our chalk paste. So all I want to do is I want to make sure I stir up my chalk paste. Your chalk paste, you want it to be like the consistency of a sour cream or yogurt, something like that. This one's actually not too bad, not too bad. So I'm going to leave that exactly the way it is. That one's good. And then I'm going to do the same with the gray. So yeah, I've been doing this since November of last year, and I absolutely love it. I mean, I have always loved to do crafts, but this just took it to a whole other level, you guys, and it's so easy. And we've been doing sip and chalks and make and takes local here to me in New Jersey, and people are loving it. So I definitely want to make sure I share this with as many people as I can, because it's been really amazing. And truthfully, you can't beat the value. The value of our kit it's amazing. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the word believed in the different color, and the rest is just gonna be the bubblegum pink. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. That should be enough. I'm going to take my squeegee. Now we have several different squeegees, but I'm just gonna take my squeegee and pull it. You wanna put a little bit of pressure on. And again, you don't have to be super neat. I just don't want to go into the other word, which I almost did there, and that's okay. It happens. Because again, if I mess up, I can wash it off. So super cool, and I've got a lot of excess on here. So any excess, you want to scrape it off. Put it right back in your jar because you don't want to waste it. Now our chalk paste has, as long as it is unopened, it has a year shelf life. Once it is opened, it has a 6-month shelf life. But believe me, you will go through chalk paste because you'll be creating things all the time. I can't even tell you what my game room looks like. It's so crazy. I have stuff all over. And the stuff they just came out with, yeah, I placed my order. I can't wait for that to come in. All right, and then a little bit of gray. And now our squeegees usually, let me see, do I have one? Oh, this is how our squeegees actually come, and I cut mine so that for me, when I get into smaller places, it's a lot easier to use. But we do have squeegees, we offer chalkboards, we have our transfers, we have our couture inks, we have pillowcases. So a lot of things that we definitely offer on our websites. So again, check it out. My website is chalkinwithjen.com. But again, if you have more questions about the opportunity, I would love to share that with you, even if you want to do it as a hobby. So that's it. All right, are you ready? We're gonna peel and reveal, and you'll be so excited to see how great you can make a quick, easy project. Oops, that side's not working for me. Let's pull this side. There we go. Got it. And then you just pull straight down. I just want to hold my board. One of my favorite sayings, she believed she could, so she did. I'm just putting that in water so that I can clean it up. And that is it, you guys. Look at that. Now, before this dries, if I absolutely wanted to, I could probably add a little bit of glitter to this word if I wanted to do that. And then I could dry it off after that. And you can absolutely do that. How cute would this be in a little girl's room? Even in your office, if you are you're the boss or you're an entrepreneur, how cute would this be? So you guys, again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you have absolutely any questions about Chalk Couture, I would love to answer them for you. Please stay tuned for all the fun videos I'm going to be creating using our new products that just released on May 1st. And I hope you love the end result of our project we created today. All right, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a good evening.